Hi, I'm Phil Bridges, owner of Straight Arrow Repair. Ever want to know how a repairman fixes things? Well, come with me and I'll show you how I solve problems. Let's make things better together. There we go. That's not a good sound. Look for a broken block.
I don't see one here.
There's a klunk sound. A lot of times, not always, but a lot of times that's a broken block. You have to change out your blocks. Alright.
And we're level.
Now, Phil Bridges. If you like what you saw, you think it might be helpful to somebody else, push that like button and let other people know what you and I now know. And we'll work together toward making a brighter future. And by the way, we're not Americans, we're Americans. See you next time.